Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking in rare silver. You don't see many in silver. Evoque. It's got a lot of extras on it. It's in lovely condition. It's got the full black pack on it, as you can see. Front park distance control. Gloss black alloy wheels. All black on the wing mirrors. Privacy glass. Panoramic roof. Rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the electric tailgate. Gleaming in the sun. A little extra rear spoiler there. Full leather interior, white stitch piping. Electric memory seats, Meridian Hi-Fi. All the seats are in lovely condition. Showing 98,655 miles. Just start it up. Got the all-terrain system, heated seats, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control. Really is in lovely condition. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Oh, it's got a reverse camera, I believe this one has as well. Let's just check that. Yep, reverse camera. All working. Aux and USB. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.